Basic English conversation practice for kids.
After you listen to each word, say the word.
Cherry, orange, pineapple, banana,
Conversation. Is it a banana?
yes, it is.
Is it an orange?
Yes, it is.
Is it an apple?
No, it isn't. It's a cherry.
Is it a melon?
No, it isn't. It's a pineapple.
Practice. Listen to each sentence and repeat. Your conversation will get better. Is it a banana?
Yes, it is.
Is it an orange?
Yes, it is.
Is it an apple?
No, it isn't. It's a cherry.
Is it a melon?
No, it isn't. It's a pineapple.
Word quiz.
Cherry, pineapple, orange, banana,
Conversation quiz. What does Anne say? Is it a banana?
yes, it is. No, it isn't.
What does Tom say? Is it an apple? Is it a cherry?
No, it isn't. It's a cherry.
What does Anne say? Is it a melon?
Yes, it is. No, it isn't. It's a pineapple.
What is it? Words. After you listen to each word, say the word.
Pencil, book, ball, cup,
Conversation.
what is it?
It's a pencil.
What is it?
It's a book.
What is it?
It's a ball.
What is it?
It's a cup. Practice. Listen to each sentence and repeat. Your conversation will get better.
What is it?
It's a pencil.
What is it?
It's a book.
What is it?
It's a ball.
What is it?
It's a cup. Word quiz.
Book, cup, pencil, ball,
Conversation quiz. What does Anne say?
how are you? What is it?
It's a pencil. What does Tom say?
What is it?
Yes, it is. It's a book. What does Tom say?
What is it?
It's a cup. No, it isn't.